Hey people, welcome back to my channel. This quick unboxing video. It is a guitar pedal board made out of aluminum. In this handy little gig bag. Gig bag. Let me lower this camera a little bit. And inside the bag, cute little kit here. It comes with all of the connections so you can run all your pedals. It has its own power supply. I'll get that in a minute. It's with the Velcro. Power wallboard. Oops, sorry. Tie wraps. And this is the pedal board itself. And that's the name of it. Alrighty. And it's got places for 8 pedals. It's got 2 supplies. It's got a supply for 12 volt. Well, it's actually got 1 supply for 12 volt. It's got a 18 volt, and it's got another DC 18 volt on this side. It also has a USB out. I'll show you that. And there's the built-in power part of it. That's the name of it. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Comes with little feet, rubber feet, and obviously Velcro. Other part of the Velcro already on it. So yeah, I'm looking to put my 5 pedals on here and get a better pedal board for myself. My pedal board's homemade. Not that I'm knocking it, because my guitarist made it for me. I appreciate it every day. But I'm outgrowing it. It's too small. So anyway, yep, that's the review. I'll let you see what it looks like after I get it done. Maybe I'll show you when I'm putting it together. I'm not sure yet. Take care, people.